So, as I showed in the video from yesterday, I took a shower. And actually the place, we had a little guidance to get here. Can I welcome you, honey? Say hello, honey. Say hello, honey. Ah, yeah, she has ear mites and fleas and so on, so we keep a little bit separated from Luffy, and she doesn't like it.
She also has something in her eye. Yes, I got it. Almost.
Yeah, so she's a bit, like a bit sad that she's not able to play with Luffy.
Yes,
but well, gotta do what you have to do.
Yeah, well, at first we did allow her to play with her.
Yeah, at first we allowed her to play with her a lot. And now they're almost inseparable.
Yeah, makes me sad. You still have something on your eye. Yes. Oh, I got it.
Peace out!